Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tools for cars on AliExpress. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for car accessories, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Cordless Car Washing Water Gun. Convenient wireless high-pressure car washing machine. Large capacity battery, super long endurance. All copper motor with strong power. Powerful copper motor, a good machine needs a good heart. The built-in all-copper motor can ensure continuous work at high-intensity speed without burning the machine. Self-developed miniature patented pump. The safe and powerful work of the wireless handheld water gun requires greater requirements on the power and energy consumption of the water pump. Self-developed micro pumps specifically deal with such problems. Multiple water outlet modes to meet the needs of multiple usage scenarios. Patented micro pump, fast water out, enhanced power. Multiple water outlet methods and multiple uses. Complete accessories. Equipped with high-quality accessories. Number 4. ATTINGE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, ATTINGE. Powerful cordless air duster, ATTINGE 2020 wireless electric dust blower and vacuum cleaner 2-in-1, with 2-brush nozzle, easy and quick replacement, meet the different needs of blowing dust and vacuuming, compact size. Powerful power, is a good helper for your cleaning items. Strong dust blowing function, 60,000 revolutions per minute super motor which produces a powerful thrust of air, 28 meters s, for deep cleaning of the microscopic dust. Thin nozzles allow cleaning deep inside the object. Vacuum cleaner function, high powerful suction cleans all messes efficiently. With the dust blowing function, it can deeply remove all kinds of dust. The suction reached 8 kp max. With such a more powerful motor, in addition to cleaning the surface of ordinary items such as computer keyboards, it can also be used as a portable vacuum cleaner on board the car. Compact design, wireless multi-purpose. ATTINGE 2020 newest cordless electric compressed air duster, based on advanced industrial design, it is convenient and compact, and can be used to clean computer keyboards. Internal parts of computer cases, fine instruments, air conditioners, drawers, toy organizers, automotive interior dust and so on. Multiple charging modes, super long output, the built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable batteries can be for thousands of reuses. 10-watt fast charge greatly reduces the charging time, 3 hours fully charged. Even in a high output state, this dust collector can work for up to 30 minutes after a full charge. Number 3. Baseus Car Air Compressor. Brand name, Baseus. Baseus Energy Source Inflator Pump Tarnish Wireless Fast Charging, 2400 mAh breathtaking capacity. 2400 mAh lithium battery wireless inflation, no need to use cigarette lighter to get electricity when using, it is convenient and trouble-free, safer and more at ease. Compared to the old, volume down by 36%, power up by 40%, the all-metal body is the same size as the 30,000 mAh power bank, without occupying any car space. Accurate monitoring tire pressure status automatic display, an intelligent sensor chip is built in the air nozzle so the tire pressure is automatically detected and displayed once connect. A tire with healthy tire pressure does not need to be inflated, otherwise it needs to be inflated. Intelligent digital display, standard preset and manual adjustment, dual mode tire pressure setting. 1 key start, tire pressure reaches preset value, auto charge, and stop. Full metal pressurized cylinder, low current direct drive structure, strong power and stable operation. Double-sided heat dissipation, reduced temperature rise. Upgraded noise reduction, quiet inflation, effectively reduce noise by 20%. LED lighting, safe inflation at night. Applicable to more equipment. Number 2. Ozdome RearView Mirror Dash Cam. Brand name, Ozdome. 1296p Smart Dual Lens Camera, clear video, superior picture. 11.8-inch anti-glare high sensitivity full touch screen. The Ozdome Mirror Dash Cam uses a 11.8-inch IPS anti-glare full touch screen with 2.5D glass. It supports front and rear camera recording. allowing you to switch between front and rear view or monitor dual lenses at the same time in order to view more traffic information and achieve safer driving. Reversing. Enhanced super night vision. Our cameras adopt G sensors with an f1.8 aperture which can capture dual 1256p high-definition footage even in low light conditions. They can filter overexposure from vehicles' headlights and provide you with a sharp and crisp image, ensuring driving safety at night. Parking assistance mode. While your vehicle is off, the parking assistance function serves as a surveillance camera system. The camera automatically switches to the rear image when reversing, making parking a breeze. G sensors and loop recording. The G sensors will automatically lock and store video in case of sudden impact and collision, providing video evidence of the accident. Loop recording will overwrite the earliest saved video when the remaining memory is insufficient, but will skip the emergency locked video. Easy to install and 1-year warranty. Number 1. Nexpeak Car Diagnostic Scanner Tool. Brand name, Nexpeak. Full systems diagnose. Nexpeak K1OBD2 scanners support reading and clearing trouble codes of all major systems, including engine, airbag SRS, transmission, ABS, SAS, air conditioning, AC, audio, ECT. Nexpeak K1 Pro supports special functions, ABS, BAT, DPF, EP, injector, oil reset, SAS, TPS, TPMS. 9 special functions, include key programmer, pin code read, 10.1-inch dust-proof drop-proof Android tablet, long-time working battery, Bluetooth 4.2, fast diagnose, support multi-language, free update for lifetime.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.